Hi, my name is Gopal. I'm from Indonesia, Jakarta to be exact. I got to know about PIF from Instagram. It popped off from there. The first time I saw, I thought there should be something different. I got in touch with PIF. I spoke to Jeffrey. We did a Zoom, but the first time was an online from Jakarta. The first session got my attention. I heard a few talkers, and then it got me curious on what is PIF about. And then I signed in for the silver member, and I did one of the session of online. I was more curious about it, then I flew in the next month to Singapore. We did an offline session, and yes, it's a lot of information. It's a lot of different things. Previously, I never knew this thing existed. This is something beyond what we know, from what we are experienced about. That this kind of things existed. It was well explained in PIF, and it changed our view, changed our mind, changed our thoughts about what the big boys doing, and we get to know now the game, what they're into, and hopefully we can do something in it, and can try to increase and scale up our businesses as well. I would say it's a good thing that anybody could join and PIF to scale up your business and see things from a different view. Thank you.